Good morning, students. Welcome back to my class. Today I will discuss lesson number 8. The name of the chapter, clothes. In the last video we have discussed exercise and lesson number 7. I hope all of you read chapter number 7 and everybody do it exercise also. So let's start. I hope all of you knows about clothes. Every day we are wearing different type of clothes. We need to wear clothes to protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. So we need to wear clothes to protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Clothes are mostly of two kinds. Means how many types of clothes? Two type of clothes, cotton and woolen. Nowadays so many different type of mixing clothes also are here. So we need, means human beings need to wear clothes. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Different season, different type of clothes we will wear. Yes or no? Different season, different type of clothes we all are wear. Secondly, clothes are mostly of two kinds. How many types of clothes? Mainly two types, two kinds, cotton and woolen. Cotton cloths. How many seasons are here? 6 seasons. Summer, monsoon, then winter. No, another 3 also have, but most of the time we all are wear cotton cloths because summer season. Most of the time we all are feeling hot. Only 3 months or 4 months we are feeling cold, means winter season. So cotton cloths are thin, woolen cloths are thick. When we will wear cotton cloths? In summer season. In summer season. And when we all are wear woolen cloths? In winter season. Okay, so cotton cloths and woolen cloths. We wear different clothes in different seasons. Before I have said, we wear different clothes in different seasons. In summer, most of the days are hot. In summer, most of the days are hot. Thus, we wear cotton cloths. In summer, these clothes make us feel cool and comfortable. Everybody follow the picture. In summer, most days are hot. Thus, we wear cotton cloths in summer. These clothes make us feel cool and comfortable. And that this summer season also we all are eat only cold things, means cold drinks, ice cream. We all are like to eat cold drinks, ice cream, etc. for feel cool, and that's why we all are eat this time only ice cream, cold drinks. Most of the people like to eat. So how many types of clothes? I hope all of you understood. Two type of clothes, cotton clothes and woolen clothes. Cotton clothes are thin, woolen clothes are thick. We wear different clothes in different season. In summer, we all are wear cotton clothes like cotton frock, those were girls, cotton shirt, those are boys wear. Okay, cotton Punjabi, cotton shari, etc. Then In winter, most days are cold. In winter, most days are cold. Next, thus we wear woolen clothes in winter. These clothes keep us warm and safe from cold. So how many seasons? 6 seasons. So like summer, winter, monsoon, autumn, spring. So different season, different types of clothes we all are wear. So most of the time we all are wear cotton clothes. Means most of the time seasonal hot. That's why everybody like to wear for cotton clothes. And 3 months and 4 months everybody wear woolen clothes. Okay, for winter season. Winter clothes means woolen clothes in winter. These clothes keep us warm and safe from cold, like sweater, jacket, woolen cap, full pant, etc. Okay, after that, when it rains means monsoon season. Now going on rainy season means monsoon season. When it rains, a raincoat is worn over clothes. Raincoat prevents us from getting wet. First of all, everybody wear another clothes. After that, raincoat is worn over clothes. Okay, so raincoat prevents us from getting wet. Some people use umbrella instead of raincoat. Those who are not use raincoat, some people use umbrella, okay, instead of raincoat. So activity is there. Look at the picture. I hope all of you knows this answer. First one, cap. Second one, shirt. Third one, pant. After that, skirt. Next means socks are there. Okay, so again I will repeat again. We need to wear clothes to protect us from heat, cold and rain, okay, and dust. Clothes are mostly of two kinds, cotton and woolen. Cotton and woolen. Cotton clothes are thin, woolen clothes are thick. We wear different clothes in different season. In summer, most days are hot, thus we wear cotton clothes. In summer, these clothes make us feel cool and comfortable. Okay, next page number 41. Okay, in winter everybody wear woolen clothes. Okay, these clothes keep us warm and safe from cold. When it rains, a raincoat is worn over clothes. Raincoat prevents us from getting wet. Some people use umbrella instead of raincoat. Next, in down follow, so many peoples are there. Means people who have similar work. People who have similar work wear similar clothes called uniform. What are called uniform? People who have similar work wear similar clothes called uniform. Like you, means you are student. Students also wear school uniform. That's like a doctor, nurse, policeman, postman, chef. That person also wear like uniform. Okay, who have similar work wear similar clothes called uniform. Okay, then page number 42. Similarly, all students wear school uniform, always wear neat and clean clothes. Before I have said students also wear school uniform, and remember that always wear neat and clean clothes. Neat and clean clothes. Okay, so time to relearn. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Cotton and woolen clothes are two different kind of clothes. In summer, cotton cloths are worn. In winter, are woolen cloths are worn. When it rains, raincoat or umbrella is used. So rainy season everybody used gumboot, raincoat or umbrella. People who have similar work wear similar clothes called uniform. And remember the last one, always wear neat and clean clothes. Neat and clean clothes. So everybody read the chapter properly. Next day again I will continue. Thank you.